back to the another exciting journey of our very own Suryodaya Campus Connect. Yes, you guessed it right. We are here with the episode 3, bringing you all the highlights of what happened in the month of August at our campus. I am Siddhi Pandey, your reporter for today, and together we will relive the most memorable memories of this month. We began with the grand celebration of 15th August, Independence Day. The entire faculty member of Suryodaya's family came together for the flag hosting ceremony. Filling the campus with a patriotic spirit. Now, let's hear what happened across the departments. For the first, from the Civil Engineering Department, we have our reporter Shalini Saratkar, who will share the exciting updates.
Hello everyone, I am Shalini Saratkar, reporter of Civil Engineering Department, bringing you the highlights of August month event. The department organized a donation drive on 7 to 13 August under the Sustainable Development Goal number 1, No Poverty, in which the themes are Ek Muthi Anaj and Corner of Kindness. The initiative supported orphans and needy persons through contribution of food grains and clothes. On 8th August, we organized a guest lecture which was delivered by Dr. Rasika Chafle ma'am on the topics of 7 habits of life. We are truly grateful to Dr. Rasika Chafle ma'am for enlightening us with the 7 habits of life, guiding us towards positivity, discipline and a purposeful future. Also, we organized a fun and creative events, Messy Construction, on 21st August, where participants in pairs showcase innovative construction ideas and using waste and recyclable materials. The competition encouraged creativity and teamwork. The winners are Harshal Satavne and Jagdish Rakhunde from Civil 3rd year. The second winners are Dhruvesh Sarode and Rohan Gadekar from Electronics and IIoT. These were the updates of August. Stay tuned for the more updates of Civil Engineering Department. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shalini. Moving ahead, the Electronics and Telecommunication Department with its IIoT department hosted a Tech Fest this month. To tell us more about it, here's our enthusiastic reporter Shuhani Satpure.
Hello everyone, this is Suhani Satpure, your reporter of ETC department for Suryodaya Campus Connect. The month of August was an eventful month with something happening every week. The TISA community of ETC and IIoT department conducted a stress management seminar between 11th to 13th August. This seminar aimed to help students recognize when stress and anxiety are becoming harmful and how we can take steps to manage them early. This was followed by Face Painting Festa organized on 12th August. The event was inaugurated by Principal Dr. Vijay Arajpure sir and judged by Professor Madhuri Ninave ma'am and Professor Brushali Mane ma'am. The winner was Arya Patrabe and her partner Kimaya Theri. Also, we celebrated International Youth Day on 12th August to inspire young people to actively participate in nation building and decision making. Also, we celebrated International Youth Day on 12th August to inspire young people to actively participate in nation building and decision making. Following this, a novel review competition was conducted on 14th August, judged by Dr. Rasika Chafle ma'am and Professor Elvin ma'am. The winner was Mayank Shukla. Later, the contrast of events went from creative to technical. Hack the Hardware. A hardware-based hackathon was organized on 19th of August, where students participated from various colleges of Nagpur. The event was judged by Professor Sumit Sapli sir, Professor Yogesh Mene sir, Professor Sailesh Birtharia sir, and HOD of ETC department Dr. Narendra Naroli sir. The winner was Team Yash from GH Raisoni College of Engineering. Later, on the occasion of World Entrepreneurs Day, at Spark event was organized, where students showcased their advertising creativity. The event was judged by Dr. Rasika Chafle ma'am. The winner was Kunal and team. Wrapping up the month was Electronic Workshop 2.0 on August 26th, organized for the students of second year of ETC and IIoT department. The winner was Team Crystals. That's all for the coverage of this month, and huge congratulations to all the winners and big shout out to all the participants for their competitive spirit. This is Suhani Satpudi signing off from Suryodaya Campus Connect. Stay tuned for more updates from ETC department. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Suhani. Nextly, the Data Science Department also had some remarkable activities in August. For this, we will hear from our reporter Mrunali Dhote.
Hello everyone, this is Pranay Dhote reporting from Suryodaya College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. Under Sustainable Development Goal, that is SDG 6, Clean Water and Sanitation, the Departments of Computer Engineering, Data Science and Civil Engineering jointly organized a combined cleaning activity on 18th of August 2025. Tank and Purify Cleaning is under Computer Engineering, whose coordinator is Lalit Kumar Patle. Corridor Cleaning is under Data Science, in which coordinator is Jayesh Mani. Lavatories Cleaning is under Civil Engineering, in which coordinators are Gayatri Thakur and Rohan Zore. Guided by faculty heads and led by Principal Dr. V.G. Arajpure sir, students actively participated, promoting hygiene, sustainability and teamwork. This initiative reflects how small steps can create a big impact on campus cleanliness and social responsibility. This is Pranay Dhote, reporter from Data Science Department, signing off from Suryodaya Campus Connect.
Thank you, Mrunali. The Mechanical Department has always been full of innovation. Let's listen to Mayank Shukla, who will walk us through their department's event.
Hello everyone, this is Mayank Shukla, reporter of Mechanical Department for Suryodaya Campus Connect. On 21st August, the Mechanical Engineering Department organized the Startup Expo 2K25, inaugurated by respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, Registrar of SCET and Managing Director of CSET, Dr. Rasika Chafle Ma'am, and HODs of all departments. Students presented their innovative startup ideas, evaluated by expert panel including Registrar of SCET, Dr. Rasika Chafle Ma'am, HOD of Electrical Department, Dr. Bess Sir, and Professor Amir Khan Sir from MBA Department. The event inspired students toward entrepreneurship and innovation, making it a grand success. Also, our department conducted a guest lecture on new manufacturing technology by Praveen Naikwade Sir on date 28th of August. This initiative helps students to be aware with recent trend in mechanical engineering and advanced manufacturing technology. This is Mayank Shukla signing off from Suryodaya Campus Connect. Stay tuned for more updates from Mechanical Department.
Thank you so much, Mayank. From the Computer Department, we have Aishwarya Dhole ready to share the views of the department.
Hello everyone, I am Aishwarya Dhole from Computer Engineering Department, here to share the latest update from our side. This August was full of events for our department. On 12th August, we unveiled our logo for Association of Computer Engineering Students, designed by Ms. Kanak Nagose, a student of second year, Section A. Her creative design was selected officially for our department. Next, on 20th August, we hosted a Reimagine competition from 11 am to 5 pm. This event was graced by our respected Principal Sir as a chief guest and judged by Professor Ashwini Bondre Ma'am and Mr. Rishikesh Pandey Sir. The students showcased their innovations and their creativity across different domains, which turned into a grand success. On the very next day, 21st August, we organized a Beat and Balance Zumba activity only for girls and female faculty members. This energetic session was led by Ms. Vijayashree Satavane Ma'am, Director of Soul Beat Dance Studio, promoting wellness, fitness and joy. In conclusion, all these events were highlighting the creativity and the wellness. This was reflecting ACES vision. As a conclusion, all these events shows creativity and wellness together, reflecting our ACES vision of holistic student development. For now, I am the reporter from Computer Engineering Department signing off, but stay connected with us for more such updates. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Aishwarya. Following that, we will hear from Sanskriti Lanjewar, a reporter from the Electrical Department, about the exciting initiative there.
Hello everyone, this is Sanskriti Lanjewar reporting from Department of Electrical Engineering. The Department of Electrical Engineering successfully celebrated its much-awaited Sports Day, an event dedicated to fun, fitness and fellowship. The celebration features exciting indoor sports including table tennis, chess and carom. The students enthusiastically participated, showcasing not just their skills but also the spirit of sportsmanship. The matches were filled with energy, from the fast-paced rallies of table tennis to the strategic moves in chess and the precision striking in carom. The objective of organizing this sports day was to provide students a break from the academic routine and to promote quality like teamwork, concentration, and healthy competition. Faculty members were present throughout the event, cheering for the participants and motivating them. The winners were honored with appreciations, while the true victory remains the joy, bonding, and the unity shared among the students and the staff. The sports day concluded with a lively atmosphere, leaving behind memories of excitement, encouragement, and a renewed spirit for the day ahead. This was Sanskruti Lanjewar signing out from the Department of Electrical Engineering. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sanskruti. And of course, the MCA department has also been active this month. Noor Shubha Siddiqui will share the details of their activities.
Hello everyone, I am Noor Shubha Siddiqui, reporter of MC Department, bringing you the latest update and highlights of August. We hosted CREAT Tech 2025 on August 29, bringing together students from all departments to showcase creativity and futuristic models. The event featured topics like Digital India, robotics, space, smart future prototypes, and Industrial Revolution 4.0, with participants presenting handmade projects and innovative ideas. Certificates were given to all, prizes to top winners, and the program was organized by MCET Byte Buster under the leadership of faculty and coordinators. CREAT Tech 2025 celebrated students' creativity and highlighted the role of innovation in technology. CREAT Tech 2025 not only celebrated creative passion but also underscored the message that today's creativity is tomorrow's technology, making it a truly memorable occasion at the college. Here, Noor Shubha Siddiqui signing off, and be with me for more monthly updates of MC Department. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Noor Shubha Siddiqui. Apart from departmental events, one of the most divine and joyful celebration was the arrival of Lord Ganesha on 27th August. The entire campus was filled with devotion as students from every department came together for daily morning and evening aartis. May Lord Ganesha continue to shower his blessing on all of us. So, that was a quick journey through the wonderful month of August at Suryodaya. A big thank you to all our reporters Shalini, Suhani, Mrunali, Mayank, Aishwarya, Sanskruti and Noor Shubha for bringing us updates from their respective departments. That's all for episode of Suryodaya's Campus Connect. I am Siddhi Pandey signing off. Stay tuned with me for more such update. Like, share and subscribe to the Suryodaya's Campus Connect. Thank you so much.